Beginning July 1st, the lowest civil servant in the public service will receive an increment of between 16 to 30%, with servants in this job group earning a minimum wage of $12,192. In a collective bargaining agreement signed with the Ministry of Public Service, those in job group A to N will have their house allowances harmonized in phases spread out over 4 years. Health workers will see the introduction of health service allowance, nursing service allowance, and risk allowance for veterinary personnel as part of the new CBA. Public Service Cabinet Secretary Cecil Kariuki says Treasury has already allocated 20 billion shillings to implement the revised basic salary structure of civil servants.
I'd like to appeal to all the parties involved in the ongoing strike called by the nurses to come to the table to reach an agreement in recognition of the spirit of the Constitution, which goes both ways, for those who desire to strike for whatever grievances, but for the Kenyans who deserve to have a quality service.
She called on the Kenya National Union of Nurses to engage the government to end the ongoing nurses' strife. Kenya Civil Servants Union Secretary General Tom Odege said nurses under the Civil Servants Union were ready to resume work if their security is guaranteed.
Nurses are on strike. We have nurses who are also members of the Union of Kenya Civil Servants. We have not called a strike, and we don't expect the government to punish our members unfairly, like those who are working in Mathare Hospital. Let the government provide security to allow our members who are nurses to resume duties. But the current situation, you'll blame all nurses to be on strike when the condition there is not conducive enough for them to report and work. Provide security. Our members are willing to resume duties, and we are not ready to see our members being punished on a strike we never called for.
This agreement takes effect on 1st of July 2017 and will be in force for 4 years, and is a review of the terms and conditions of service of staff in the job groups A to N. Some highlights here touching on the basic salary is that the basic salary will increase by between 16 and 30% from the effective date. It means the lowest paid public servants in job group A will earn a minimum of 12,192.
The ongoing nurses' strike has entered its 4th week, with nurses maintaining the government should sign the CBA. Linus Moshigadi for Channel 1 News.